Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey guys, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our family, the channel, and the crew. Y'all, you remember the last video I did from Dossier, and I had told y'all that I am stepping out of that comfort zone, stepping out of that box, and I am just embracing just being an adult woman, a grown woman, that woman, right? Email, I was like, oh my God. And I know to some of you guys, it's like, okay, that's nothing. It's just some perfume or whatever. Like, why did that change? Because the position that my life is now, and I had told y'all that because I am in this new headspace and where I'm at in my life, I was completely changed and made over and the spiritually, so that I know who I am and I know whose I am, and I'm moving into that. So everything about being a grown woman and loving it and enjoying and embracing it and being so unapologetic in who I am, when I seen that, it was just that reminder of, yes, it's that confirmation, yes, you on the right path. And no matter what's going on in your life, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay because somebody is paying attention. Somebody is watching. And you inspiring somebody one way or another. And you moving in the right direction. So that email touched me. So being a brand ambassador for Dossier is a huge accomplishment for me. From a Mississippi, a small town country girl that grew up in a small town in Mississippi, having ambassadors, being ambassadors and having brands asking you to do that. You don't imagine that because you see other, you see like Texas and Georgia, well, Texas, Atlanta, New York, California, you see that, but you don't just see that with a lot of small town and a lot of smaller states. Um, so it's a blessing, y'all. It's a blessing. I'm gonna show y'all my get ready with me. I'm gonna kind of break this video down, but I do want to show real quick the two perfumes that I received, and you guys already know what I'm gonna tell y'all. All of the high quality brand perfumes that's out there, and it's like Tom Ford, YSL, Chanel, all of those brands, and it's at a discounted price. If you get your perfume and you get a tester with it and you get your perfume bottle, and if you don't like it, you just return it and you pick out another fragrance. So it's real easy. It's real easy. And like I said, this video is going to be different from my last one because, like I said, it's just times like this when we going through what we going through in a pandemic, you home and you're not going out, you're not going somewhere. And I know they say that outside is open, but not for me. Outside is still closed. So this is a Saturday, it's Labor Day, so happy Labor Day weekend. They always give you your little cards, and in your cards it's going to tell you the notes. They have the top note, middle note, and base note. It'll tell you who is inspired by the concentration. They're always going to thank you, and they're going to tell you how it works. But the first one that I'm going to show y'all is the aromatic pineapple. The top notes is the bergamot, ginger, and pineapple. The middle notes is clary sage, geranium, and juniper berry. The base notes is amberwood, cedarwood, and allium. I know I said that wrong. It is inspired by YSL, and the concentration on it is 15%. And this is my sample size. I already used a little bit of this yesterday. I needed it. I was so stressed and I just wanted to feel like I was vacationing somewhere. But this is the actual bottle. And y'all, it smells so good. And they always have the notes on the bottle. So for any reason, if you ever lose your card or your box get damaged, they always have the notes on the card. like I said, I already done smelled this one. So I already know what it gonna smell like. And it smells so good. You can smell the pineapple, you can smell the ginger and the bergamot. And it's just, like I said, even though I'm lounging around today, it's just, it smells good. And it's times that I just want to cuddle up in my bed when it's me, and I'll just spray just a little bit of this like on my pillowcase, and just wrap my own self up in that scent. You know what I mean? So I would do that. For purposes of today, and I also, like I said, I'll spray on both of my arms. I'll put a little bit on my neck. I'll put a little bit right there. And then on the back side of each one of my knees. And so when I'm walking throughout the day, because I do have on this dress, so as I'm walking throughout the day, I'll smell it. And like I said, the pineapple, I love pineapple. It just smells good. It smells like if you can say a sexy pineapple, it smells like a sexy pineapple. But it's not a fruity, a sweet fruity scent. It's a sexy fruity scent. So, and like I said, I'm just going to wrap up in my little blanket on the couch today and watch TV. But I know when I smell it, I'm going to be like, yeah, just feel like a woman, okay? So, that's one of them I received. And because they were sweet enough to send me 2 boxes, and every month you can get a new box, and that's my motto. That's my thing, like a new fragrance every single month. So I can be somebody else every month. I can go from sexy to sensual to grown woman to chill and laid back. And I can also, get scents that I know I can also get scents that I know my mom would like or my children would like, and I can share it with them. Now, this is the aquatic lime or the aquatic lime. But y'all will see this one in the Get Unready with me. So I don't want to spray any on me. But I can tell y'all, you can definitely smell the lime. It's not fruity and it's not overpowering. But this is another scent that's like, you can definitely, like I said, spray this like on your pillowcase and stuff. If you just want that little date night scent, sexy and like, ooh, smells good. This for me will be more of a nighttime. But both of them could be nighttime. But I used this one last night, and I put it on my pillows and stuff, and I can smell it all throughout the night. And because of the lime, and I do lavender also in my bedrooms on my pillow. So the lavender with this lime and my lavender candle, it helped me sleep all night. It really did. And then when I did get up through the middle of the night to check on my son, I smelled it, and it was just like, it just put me back in that good mind space, because I do yoga, and I love that. That's perfect. This is perfect for it for me. So if you do yoga or anything like that, I would suggest if you get either one of these scents, either the pineapple one or this one, I would suggest, if you like to, want to put a little bit just like on your sheets before you go to bed after you do your yoga, or even if you just spray a little bit on your clothes while you're doing your yoga. It's just the fragrance of it, the sense of it, it calms you. But the top notes for this one is bergamot, lime, and watermelon. The middle notes for this one here is marine notes, jasmine and rosemary. And the base notes is cedarwood, oak moss, and vetiver. But that watermelon and lime, I get so excited about stuff like this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I get so excited about it. So, y'all, please, if y'all are interested, go check them out. And like I said, y'all can pick any fragrance y'all want. I will leave all of the details in my description box. By using my discount code, you can, I'm telling you all, y'all will love it. And my kings, my fellas, y'all can order this for yourself. Spray some on you. Spray some a little bit behind them dreads, behind them ears, so your hair short. Just spray a little bit. Put a little bit on your hand and rub it on that bald head. So when you hug her, she gonna love it. Because every grown woman love a man that smells good, y'all. He better smell good. When he hug you and embrace you, he gotta smell good. So to my kings, my fellas, y'all can order this for yourself. Y'all can order some.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation?
Your job is not done until you call home. So you always got another day to make it right. And y'all know we used to say, tomorrow is not promised. This second is not promised. Nowadays, we hear 1 second, gone the next. You can see somebody or talk to them, and the next second, they gone. So it's like when I leave this world, I'll owe it nothing, and it'll owe me nothing. Meaning, I leave with nothing on my heart. I leave with nothing on my mind. When I leave this world, everything that I want to accomplish, I will accomplish. Everything that I want to say, I will say. You have to be able to love who you are inside of your soul and your spirit. When you are stripped completely naked, you have to be able to love who you are inside and out, because if you can't, it's something wrong. I love Alicia. When I stand in that mirror before I get in the shower and get out, I thank God, because I love me for who I am inside and out. Because there was a time that I didn't. It was a time that I was beat down so bad that I couldn't even look in a mirror and see God as He seen me. I couldn't see nothing. I could not see anything. I just seen this empty vessel. I didn't know who I was, because how badly I was beat down by life and my exes and family. But it's like now, when I look in the mirror, I don't even have to look in the mirror. When I just look inside of me, I see the God that's in me. I see the spirit that's in me. I know who I am. And I am so beautiful. And I know that's what makes me a queen of the highest. I know that throne is there for me. So I don't care about none of that other stuff. I don't care about the worldly stuff. I don't care about none of that. I know what my place is. And I'm going to do my best to continue teaching my children that, and to just sharing it on my platform. If I can touch one person and get them to understand that who you are inside, who you are in your spirit, that's what makes you a king and a queen. That you can, uplift the other woman. You can uplift another man. You can pick him up and say, brother, I got you. You can look at a man that may not have a lot or have nothing. I hear some women, they'll look at me and be like, oh my God, he stayed with his mama. You don't know why that man may stay with his mama. She may not have anybody else. I'm thankful. I'm so, so thankful that God made me over the way he did, from me being broken and me being beat down and abused and hurt over and over, to where I am now, that I can thank him and be like, I made it through all of that, and I came out on the other side, baby, and I glowed up, and I can glow up with no makeup on. I can glow up with just this regular little black lounging dress that I got from Goodwill and paid $1.50 for. Okay, I can be glowed up with my hair rag on and my hair dyed. You know, I am beautiful. Okay, inside and out. Because like I said, I just love so hard, and I love so genuine. And my family is the same way. And I know some people just burnt out and hurt and they tired. And some people just never cared. Some people stopped caring because they got hurt. But we truly just need a huge change, because God, like I said, whoever God you serve, he's trying to show us something, and he's trying to wake us up, and people still not getting it. And because of that, all of us are affected. We are all hurt. And so just, I don't know, y'all, we just, like we say, we got to do better. And that's all of us. We all have to take accountability, and we all have to do better and do our part, because this world is hurting. We are hurting. But it's going to be okay. Like I said, it's going to be okay. It will. We're going to come on the other side of victory, and we're going to be okay. But you got to know who you are and whose you are, because we don't know the time or the day. So, yeah. But for those of you guys who watched to the end of this video, I truly love you guys. We have not forgot about y'all or the giveaways. I told y'all we're just doing it completely different, because I got burnt enough by people who really don't care, and they just enter and I never see them again. So like I said, we are doing stuff completely different. And we're not going to talk about it. It's just going to happen, because I'm just, like I said, I can't do any negativity. It's like my life is just so good that I'm not going to allow that in. And so y'all stay blessed, stay safe, be humbled, and just enjoy life. Just enjoy it every single day. And leave nothing. Leave nothing. Just leave nothing. And we will see y'all later. So I can focus, I just need to focus.